we are going to discuss about 7 simple home remedies for teeth whitening. In 2015, Americans spent over $11 billion on teeth whitening, including over $1.4 billion on at-home whitening products. There are plenty of products to choose from when it comes to whitening your teeth. However, most whitening products use chemicals to bleach your teeth, which concerns many people. If you want whiter teeth but also want to avoid the chemicals, this article lists many options that are both natural and safe. What causes teeth to look yellow? Multiple factors cause teeth to become dull and lose their bright white sparkle. Certain foods can stain your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your teeth. Additionally, plaque buildup on your teeth can cause them to look yellow. This type of discoloration can usually be treated with regular cleaning and whitening remedies. However, sometimes teeth look yellow because the hard enamel has eroded, revealing the dental underneath. Dentine is a natural yellow, bony tissue that lies underneath the enamel. 1. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, which is why it's a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste. It's a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on teeth. Additionally, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth which prevents bacteria from growing. This is not a remedy that will whiten your teeth overnight, but you should notice a difference in the appearance of your teeth over time. Science has not yet proven that brushing with plain baking soda would whiten your teeth, but several studies show that toothpaste containing baking soda has a significant whitening effect. One study found that toothpaste containing baking soda were significantly more effective at removing yellow stains from teeth than standard toothpaste without baking soda. The higher the concentration of baking soda, the greater the effect. Furthermore, a review of 5 studies found that toothpaste containing baking soda removed plaques from the teeth more effectively than non-baking soda toothpaste. To use this remedy, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. You can do this a few times per week. You can buy baking soda at a grocery store. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a disinfectant and natural cleaning product. Acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, kills bacteria. The antibacterial property of vinegar is what makes it useful for cleaning your mouth and whitening your teeth. One study on cow teeth found that apple cider vinegar exhibits a bleaching effect. However, it also found that vinegar may soften teeth. The acetic acid in vinegar has the potential to erode the enamel on your teeth. For this reason, you should not use apple cider vinegar every day. You should also limit the amount of time that apple cider vinegar is in contact with your teeth. To use it as a mouthwash, dilute it with water and swish it around in your mouth for several minutes. Make sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. 3. Eat fruits and vegetables. A diet high in fruits and vegetables may be good for both your mouth and your teeth. While there are no substitutes for brushing them, crunchy, raw fruits and vegetables can help scrub plaque away as you chew. Strawberries and pineapple are 2 fruits that have been claimed to help whiten your teeth. Strawberries. Whitening your teeth with a strawberry and baking soda mixture is a natural remedy that has been made popular by celebrities. Proponents of this method claim that the malic acid found in strawberries will remove discoloration on your teeth, while the baking soda will buff away stains. However, this remedy has not been completely backed up by science. While strawberries may help exfoliate your teeth and make them appear whiter, they are unlikely to penetrate the stains on your teeth. A recent study found that a strawberry and baking soda mixture produced very little color change in teeth compared with commercial whitening products. If you decide to give this method a try, limit its use to a few times per week. Despite studies showing that a strawberry and baking soda paste had a minimal effect on tooth enamel, excessive use could damage. To use this remedy, smash a fresh strawberry, combine it with baking soda, and brush the mixture onto your teeth. Pineapple. Some claim that pineapple can whiten teeth. A study found that a toothpaste containing bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapples, was significantly more effective at removing tooth stains than the standard toothpaste. However, there is no evidence that eating pineapple produces the same effect. 4. Prevent tooth stains before they happen. While your teeth naturally yellow as you age, some things can help prevent stains on your teeth. Limit staining foods and beverages. Coffee, red wine, soda, and dark berries are infamous for staining teeth. That doesn't mean you have to completely avoid them, but you should limit the amount of time these substances are in contact with your teeth. If possible, drink beverages known to teeth stain out of a straw to prevent direct contact with your teeth. Moreover, brush your teeth soon after consuming one of these foods or beverages to limit their effects on the color of your teeth. Additionally, avoid smoking and chewing tobacco, as both may cause tooth discoloration. Limit your sugar intake. If you want whiter teeth, cut back on your sugar intake. A diet high in sugar supports the growth of Streptococcus mutans, the primary type of bacteria that causes plaque and gingivitis. When you consume a sugary food, be sure to brush your teeth soon after. Get plenty of calcium in your diet. Some tooth discoloration is caused by enamel eroding and exposing the dentine underneath, which is yellow. Therefore, anything you do to strengthen the enamel of your teeth will help keep your teeth pure white. Calcium-rich foods such as milk, cheese, broccoli may help protect your teeth from enamel erosion. 5. Activate charcoal. You can use activated charcoal to remove stains from your teeth. It's believed that charcoal can remove pigments and stains from your teeth because it's highly absorbent. It is said to get rid of bacteria and toxins in the mouth. There are toothpaste that contains activated charcoal and claim to whiten teeth. Open a capsule of activated charcoal and put the contents on your toothbrush. Gently brush your teeth using small circles for 2 minutes. Be especially careful in the area around your gum as it can be abrasive. Then spit it out. Don't brush too aggressively. If your teeth are sensitive or you want to limit the abrasiveness of the charcoal, you can dab it on your teeth. Leave it for 2 minutes. You can also mix activated charcoal with a small amount of water to make a mouthwash. Swish this solution for 2 minutes and then spit it out. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after using activated charcoal. More scientific evidence is required to investigate the effectiveness of activated charcoal for teeth whitening. One paper published in 2019 found that charcoal toothpaste can whiten teeth within 4 weeks of use, but it wasn't as effective as other whitening toothpaste. Research has found that activated charcoal can be abrasive on teeth and tooth color restorations, leading to loss of tooth structure. This abrasiveness may make your teeth look more yellow. If you wear away too much enamel, more of the yellowy dentil underneath will become exposed. Be cautious when using charcoal, especially of the lack of evidence to prove its effectiveness and safety. 6. Making dietary changes. Eliminating foods that mark the teeth can prevent further staining. Fruits and beverages that contain tannins, such as wine and tea, can stain the teeth. Coffee and dark sodas and juices can also stain them. Acidic foods can make the teeth look yellow by wearing down the enamel. People who are concerned about the color of their teeth should avoid the excessive consumption of citrus, coffee, and soda. Alternatively, they should always brush their teeth after having them. Dentists generally recommend waiting 30 minutes after eating before brushing the teeth. Acids can weaken the enamel, so brushing too soon can cause damage. Quitting smoking or tobacco products can reduce the risk of nicotine stains. It can also prevent tooth decay and gum disease, both of which can damage the enamel and cause oral health issues. 7. Don't underestimate the value of brushing and flossing. While some tooth discoloration naturally comes with age, it is largely a result of plaque buildup. Regularly brushing and flossing can help your teeth stay white by reducing bacteria in your mouth and preventing plaque buildup. Toothpaste gently rubs out stains on your teeth, and flossing removes bacteria that lead to plaque. Regular dental cleanings can also help your teeth stay clean and white. Thanks for watching. If you have learned something, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. And turn on the notification bell to be the first to get notified for our next videos.